and take me to the moment when we fell in love. 3 Mississippi. In a moment of madness, I jumped into your wishing well, with a pocket full of copper to weigh me down. I'll count on you to seal the holes in my false hope. You'll be the river when I'm all alone, and in return I'd sail your shores. I hope your tidal wave falls short. Please fall short. I've been trying to read your thoughts. I just don't think your reasons were enough. I'll build myself a raft and sail the great ocean to Mississippi. Your river banks weren't strong enough. You hide your tears and shape them off. For 6 weeks straight, your currents drained the Mississippi. In a moment of madness, I jumped into your wishing well, with a pocket full of copper to weigh me down. I'll count on you to seal the holes in my false hope. You'll be the river when I'm all alone, and in return I'll sail your shores. I hope your tidal wave falls short. I can fix you, I can mend you, I can make you run again, like you used to, like you're meant to. We can drown just like we planned. I can fix you, I can mend you, I can make you run again, like you used to, like you're meant to. We can drown just like we planned. In a moment of madness, I jumped into your wishing well, with a pocket full of copper to weigh me down. I'll count on you. I hope your tidal wave falls short. Please fall short. Please fall short.
I've been second guessing all the memories I've made. When I think back on the days beside them, how many hours I've spent hiding on my own. Now I could never lie to you. I grew up taught to tell the truth, but it's hard when I start speaking. I'm a mess, but I'm still trying, and I have my down days every so often, and it feels like I'm falling now, but I'll get up again. And I know I can't explain the way I'm feeling, that's an issue, but I have my down days as much as anyone. I forgot to call you back on purpose, and you don't deserve it, no, neither does anyone. But I can't make myself pick up the phone, and I'm a bit disturbed at times, lost in my own state of mind. But I hope you can forgive me. I'm a fool, I know you love me, and I have my down days every so often, and it feels like I'm falling the strain of my excuses, weighed down by the thought of trying to move forward, holding on to try and keep from being swallowed up by my own imperfections, when I know I can't be perfection, and I don't think I could get better, but I know I will always find a way. And I have my down days every so often, and it feels like I'm falling now, but I'll get up again. And I know I can't explain the way I'm feeling, that's an issue, but I have my down days as much as anyone. Yeah, I have my down days as much as anyone.
I see a splinter in your eye, while I'm holding a branch in mine. So I'll let you down just one more time, to save myself a broken reed. Could change some way, then all of this would be okay. I need forgiveness for the things I've said that hurt you. I was wrong to think I was right. I've been out of line for some time. River eyes, winter fades again. Love surely be friends that hope behind the I can't let you out my mind. No need to say that I've been blind. I'll be fine. 70 times, 7 times. So I'll lose myself in building you. Whoa, would you bear my sorrows too? So I'll lose myself in finding you. Whoa, would you come and find me too? I was Do you ever go the long way round? Feel like a stranger in your hometown. Does it leave you cold somehow? Whoa. Just when I was looking out across the shore, thinking there must be more, I found myself in Mexico. You taught me how to live, taught me how to love, more than you will ever know. You put the fire back in my soul. Mexico, Mexico. Do you ever need to sleep all day, then spend your nights wide awake, longing to be miles away? Yeah. Where the colors light the streets, kindness doesn't cost a thing, and troops of mariachi sing. I found myself in Mexico. You taught me how to live, taught me how to love, more than you will ever know. You put the fire back in my soul. Mexico, Mexico. Good hearts wear down any wall. You welcome me with open arms. Mexico, you taught me how to live, taught me how to love, more than you will ever know. You put the fire back in my soul. Found myself in Mexico. You taught me how to live, taught me how to love, more than you will ever know. You put the fire back in my soul. Mexico, Mexico. Do you ever go the long way round?
I'm drowning at a party. I can't wait to be alone. I keep running far away from people I could call my own, but they don't know me. So I leave early, and I walk home in tears again. Oh, I should've known I wouldn't. I stand under running water, water running down my back. I'm back to running far away from words that I cannot take back. Oh, they don't know me. Do they think I'm boring? They don't know me. So I leave early, and I walk home
we go again. You call me up. This thing will never end. I know I say it all the time. Just give it another try. Late nights, tears on my shoulder again. Should have learned by now. Most of them play pretend. I know I say I'm doing fine. I'd rather be by your side. But just like magnets, keep on coming back to each other. I don't want another trying to fight it. There's some things you can't control, so let it go. My God, another start is friends. You say go slow, holding me in your bed. I heard they say that love is blind. I know you're crazy, and I don't mind. Just like magnets, keep on coming back to each other. I don't want another trying to fight it. Some things you can't control. Just like magnets, no matter the weather, we change, we're together. Flying through the ether, it's a tether. Freedom would feel untrue, so let it go. Let it go. So let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go.
All day, forced to live by foresight. Oh, and what can you do before you've tried living off time? Caught up, you're tied up on the sideline. Oh, and how can you know that you're alive when you're ground by the grind? And all the people that are watching over there for blood. And all the flowers in the field of and pray for rains to come. Oh, I'm coming back for you, my friend. Stop still, there must be something there to find. Oh, how can you look at the sunlight when it's bound to the time? And all the people that are watching over baby blood. And all the flowers in the field of ungrateful rains for God. I'm coming back for you, my friend.
Oh my God, she's showing her shoulder shot in this apartment, mine, and I can be anything. Move me, walk me in, back to the bedroom and speak up if sin begins, and I can be anything. Move me, 'cause inside out, all cusp whatever, you pull me down, so I trust whatever. But oh my God, we're more than I thought. Honey waves, always in dire straits, and scars and silent pain. But I can be anything. Move me, yeah. 'Cause inside out, all cusp whatever, you pull me down, so I trust whatever. But oh my God, we're more than I thought. Virginia, what did ya get out of this howling bed, leaving me heaving land? Move me, honey. And oh my God, you're more than I thought. Virginia, did you get out of this howling bed, leaving me heaving there?
'cause all the days they pass us by, and all the nights they wander on by. Oh, I just sit here and wonder why. Oh no, I can't keep up with my own life. Oh, but in my dreams I see lake, a river runs through and it's okay. But in my mind I'm not okay, and all these thoughts I can't erase. Oh. My brother found God at the bottom of a bottle. I lost my way home and think that I can call you. Mother, how are you doing? I'm sorry that I left you. I'm trying to find my way. I promise that I'll be home soon. Oh,
Green Day.
yeah.
Yeah, was. I can't believe how fast these mornings go. I'm sitting there going, what? It's
I
7
put my
o'clock.
faith in my own
Well, my God.
hands.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, did you? No, I was just talking about how quickly the morning goes by. I was totally absorbed in marking up charts and look at the clock. It's 7 o'clock. Seriously, I don't have my coffee. Yeah, yeah. It's astounding, isn't it? After this many years of doing this, how 100% absorbing it is. Just, yeah, yeah. Aren't we, though? Oh, and you're not sharing. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Just make sure Eddie's not waiting. No, mhm, mhm. That does. Yeah. Mhm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. I do. Yeah, I look at the charts five days a week. But I think what you're saying makes total sense because, as you say, sitting back and looking at the bigger picture, the higher time frames, like we looked at the 15-minute yesterday after we finished trading, and it was just a simple straight move up. It's calm. And I think it is really tricky getting caught into the trading on the 1 minute chart. It's really easy to get lost. And I found after the first, I would say, hour at the charts, or if we've looked at several setups, just about entries, that kind of thing, I do not stay focused enough to stay trading. So it's interesting because after yesterday, I was thinking, I want to do that too. I want to be able to look at the higher time frames and just, this looks like the potential of what could happen. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And just go do something else. Like, don't sit there and wait and wait and wait and hunt and yeah, yeah, totally. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm. Yes. Yeah. Hmm. Totally. Yep. Yeah, we're like a chart. Yeah. 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 That no, that's great. It fits. My thought process is exactly the same because I'm finding after all this, I'm getting tired, like trading tired of this, the 1 minute and the constant drawing in. It does. Yeah. Yeah. It's as you say too, it's identifying like with each step, okay, we grow and then we fall back a couple steps, but we recognize it. And that's an important part. It's, oh, this is familiar. Nope, been here, been here. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
You're out. There used to be an echo. Every time I would say something,
Oh,
it would like echo. So
oh,
now I'm just trying to figure that out, but
that would be
just playing around a
distracting.
bit. Yeah, well, it's not really for me. It's just on the stream. So if anyone's watching it, then
Oh, I see.
it's really annoying. But anyway, it does not really matter. Let's just have a look at what we're doing today. So let me know if Ed pops on. If not, we'll just continue on.
Yeah, I haven't heard from.
So we're kind of in this bullish market, right? We're pushed up, we pulled back a little bit, swept, pulled back, and we've already had a little bit of what I would say is the London sweep. So we had Asia range, and then we swept the low, and then we kind of swept that again to create a new low and just absolutely
Yeah.
blasted up. And we blasted right up into um, like the top side of this hourly fair value gap, and we kind of stopped. Just above us, we've got a 15-minute retracement, like a 15-minute order block midline. So yesterday we kind of pushed up, and then we pushed up to that 50% retracement from way back, and it was just like spot on, and it pivoted and came all the way back down for a pullback, back into exactly where we'd expect it to, right? This is what I was talking about before as well. So when we have this push up, there's kind of like this bulls pushing up a little bit of balance, but then here's the supply and demand, right? So this is where the last battle was fought, supply and demand. So there's
Yeah.
bulls. And where did it push
Oh,
back to? It pulled back right into that, right? It pulls back down, tests that, gets the supply and demand, pushes back up, shifts into the change of character, and then we run back up to the upside. So very clear movement. Exactly what we'd expect. We've got a bit of
Eddie's
supply and
here.
demand here.
Sorry. Eddie's
Oh,
here.
no worries. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got that area of supply and demand. We dipped into, we bounced, and we've come back up into the area of supply and demand. We pushed back, we've chopped a little bit, came back down to where this area of supply and demand, and then pushed back
Hmm.
up and continued on. So it's all been pretty clear cut. And this was the sweep, and now we've come back up. But as for where we'd reverse from, if we're going to not break highs, this would be my last kind of area, this 50% retracement just above us. So what I could see from market open is we sweep up, tag that, and then come back down for the day. Now we've already taken out Asia high, we've already taken out Asia low, we've kind of created a new London low, and we're creating a new London, like a new high. So we
Yeah.
can't really wait for a sweep of that high. So what we've got to do is we've got to look left and see, is there a key area that's going to actually act as an area where we're going to reject from? And for me, that is this 50% retracement is the first one. Otherwise, I think we're going to head back up to yesterday's previous day high, which is also fine. If we break
Hmm.
up, pull back. And so we could see today a little bit of a pullback and then a continuation. Very stock standard, easy movement. See if we can get a nice trade on that. Or what we could see
Yeah.
right now is just a little bit of a push up to here and then that pivot. And that pivot coming, there's probably quite a bit of room because this low is down here. So if we come up to this 50% retracement that I've marked out on the order block midline, I don't mind taking that. That's actually not a bad reversal. But again, we're in a bullish market. So what do I want? I want a chock. I want a character change. Clean, concise, definitive movement that we've actually pivoted and we're not just pulling back, right? And there is a long way to go down. So if we do come back down here, we might come down to this, the supply and demand area. That's the break of structure that we had and bounce off that. So that's one area that I'm looking at. The second one is the 50% retracement of this big move. And there's that fair value gap slash another break of
Yeah.
structure with this order block here that we could look at. So this kind of area is like a hot pivot spot for me. If we do come straight down and don't tag this. So if we come straight down, I'd be looking to maybe buy up here, but wouldn't be surprised if it kept going. But this would be an area where I'd look to buy right here.
Yeah.
And then if it does push up at market open, I'd be looking to sell from here. Okay. And if it does pull down here and then pushes back up here, I would look to sell here, but it may just break out as well. So we're getting a nice big retreat pullback here on the 15 minutes. So it could be that market open, which is coming in 4 minutes, may, beforehand do this, get into here, and then market open comes and it blasts off. Any questions?
Nope. Not all makes sense. Morning, Ed.
Good morning.
Morning, Ed. So the NAS has actually made an all-time high. We came down, we just broke out, made a new all-time high, which created the London high. Then we pushed back with some force. We pulled back up. Then we broke structure to make like a head and shoulders. Now we're kind of pushing up, and now we're kind of in this no man's land. What are we going to do? So for me, I'm looking at coming back up to this fair value gap and then coming back down, but that's a weaker move. I don't know if that's going to be the move, or if we come back up, sweep this liquidity again. There's that order block to protect the highs and come back down. However, when we're getting that close to all-time highs, I don't know if we will just break the all-time highs and continue on. So that's the areas that I'm looking for is a sell-off here, but I'm a bit concerned because we are at all-time highs. It could just be this sweep this high here into this 15-minute fair value gap and be very quick. So market open comes and we just get last little sweep and then drop, right? That to me would be very bearish. I don't mind that, but I just got to be careful, where we're going to actually pin that entry. Because we're in the bearish market, I don't mind an IFVG from here. If we just sweep that and pivot, I don't mind that. And I do want to see it obviously break this low. Alternatively, we kind of just push down and get into this London previous day high, London low, Asia high. But all of these, Asia low. Is that Asia low? Must be Asia low. All of these are kind of close together. And then there's another keen area of liquidity here. If we get below that, then I think we're going to go for a bit of a run because there's this big imbalance until this supply and demand where the order block midline is and the 50% retracement is. So selling down, I don't mind. Here's going to be a potential buying up pivot area, or we just do all-time highs and we kind of attack this and blow straight through here. If we just shoot up, I'm not really going to be able to get into it because I want to see it come down to grab something before pushing up to all-time highs again. We've already hit them and we've come down pretty strong. Every time we push down with big imbalance. So we've filled that slowly, then big imbalance, and filled that looking for that next big imbalance, impulsive move down. So I'm looking more bearish on the Dow. I mean, on the Nas than I am on the Dow. The Dow, I'm kind of looking more bullish. This current candle does not scream bullish, but the problem with the Dow and the Nas going opposite directions is you can't actually trade them in opposite directions on Apex. So got to be careful of that. Okay, any questions? Ed, I was saying before you got here that like just trying to kind of rein it in a bit to stick with the higher time frame. I feel like I've started to trade some of the lower time frame calls, and they haven't been like the right calls that are going with the market higher time frame market trend. So you know, how many times do we analyze the charts beforehand and pretty much nail it, but don't trade it? And that's kind of what I was being a bit more aware of and noticing, especially in the results that I've been getting over the last however many weeks, looking at my Wednesdays and constantly having losses there and trying to analyze that. So I think on top of that, well, we're just about to hit market open, so if I stop talking, then that's why.
Fair enough.
But on top of that, I'm thinking about maybe trading Mondays again, but Mondays and Wednesdays are going to be like a one trade loss and I'm out kind of deal. So one loss and done. So just trying to improve that discipline and control and stuff like that.
Yep.
There's market open. Big push down.
Yeah, there's our target. That was hit.
Did it hit it? Yeah. So that was the pivotal area, right? So that's looking like a potential to buy back up. Man, should have put a limit order on that one.
Oh.
And the Nas going too beautifully. So we're gonna looks like we might get that shock.
Wow.
Big push down on the Nas. So that's kind of what I was expecting from that area. Do we have an entry? Not really. We want to see if we can maybe get a break of structure on this one. Well, that's a true shift shock, actually. So strong push there. I do not mind this on the Nas if it actually closes with that. Gonna have to have a pretty decent sized stop loss though, and it's gonna have to definitely close below here and give the true shift. Dow pushing up. So we didn't get the true shift on my broker. Bugger. I would have hit that button if it had confirmed with the true shift, but we didn't. So no entry there. Dow giving the true shift and the shock. So the Dow is actually giving us a buy opportunity there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Where's my stop loss? There, thank you.
Order submitted.
So I did jump into the Dow. That's actually a true shift shock to the buy side. We've tagged that area that we expected to very quickly and pushed very aggressively off. We're actually just in that 50% retracement order block, so I didn't keep an eye on that. But if we can push up and close above that, I quite like this to continue the move.
Yep.
Oh man, there's a potential sell opportunity here on the Nas, but can't trade both, so. Okay, so up.
Keep going, baby.
Hang on a second. I got my one.
Did you jump in on the Dow, Lorraine?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I don't know. I should have hit my 1 to 2 already, I think. It's going to come down and hit me. Damn it. Maybe not. Maybe I got the wrong stop loss in there. Let's see what this candle's going to do.
Order filled.
Hit me at break even. That's a bit annoying. Okay.
Order filled.
So I'm out of that with basically nothing. We were up 60 points. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I did have that in there. Okay. Oh well. No harm, no foul. No win, no loss. Can't really complain there. Okay, so we've just come up on the NAS to trigger that entry too. I think I've missed it though if it's going to push back too quickly. I can't see anymore. Ah,
Order submitted.
got into that very late. It didn't quite close below that low, but let's see if we continue to go. I do want it to push below that. London low's actually right there. So we've actually come up quite aggressively on the Dow and bounced pretty strong. Seeing another
Yeah.
TDI shift inversion fair value gap. Looks like we've wicked that area that I was expecting in the 15-minute fair value gap. We didn't close outside of it. You know what? I think this might be a pretty aggressive day, but I think I might take this TDI inversion if we get it, because there's still quite a bit of room down.
Yeah.
And that's going to be, it has to close with a TDI shift. It did. Oh man, I think I missed it. Ah, I missed so much of that.
Order submitted.
Missed 13 points of that move. That was not a good entry.
I'm still in my buy.
And
Are you? I got stopped out. The one time I didn't trail. See?
Yeah, I know. So they're thinking, I'm like, fuck me.
The NAS did not actually. Okay. Dow is going to hit my stop loss. I think it's going to invert that fair value gap back up. Let's see how this candle closes. I want it to close a small wicky bull candle, and then we can get a bearish engulfing to follow. And the NAS, I want it to close bearish engulfing, but it didn't. Come on, both of you. Let's push bearish.
Order filled.
Dow has taken me out, so that's a loss.
Keep going now.
I hope for your sake that that goes right up now. Good.
Thank you, Jake.
So TDI shift unshift, which is really, really nice as well.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to also pay more attention to your cloud too. Like when we talk about the color of the cloud, like I always discarded it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Mm.
Like and I guess what I'm saying is trying to like what you were I think it's funny you were saying that earlier, like trying to allude to like trading with the higher time frame trend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, I've chopped around a lot on the Dow, but that's a
Order submitted.
nice pushback in there. Let's see if this NAS is going to push down. Oh, shit. God, I shouldn't be doing that. Wow.
Well,
Wow, you suck today.
Order filled.
That got me again. Oh, now the NAS is pushing up. Man. That's rough. rough movement. I think I got to get out of that Naz too.
Order filled.
Man, that's how many trades have I been in that I was in profit and did not take profit and got stopped out? I think that's literally 3 already. Well, that was not how I was expecting today to go.
Come on now.
I was like, oh, you want to hold tight and try to wait to take profit? Nah, I don't think so, pal.
Well, but maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sight. No.
I'm comfortable where my stop is. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Good attitude.
I'm trying to do what I don't normally do. I'm working on it.
So how wide was your stop? Is your stop?
I've got my stop below
Order
the
submitted.
basically the market open wick.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
and the entry. So we're looking at about 40-point stop for me.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Oh man, Naz, you suck. Thought you closed below that, but you did not. Oh wow.
Order cancelled.
That sucks too.
Yeah. It's just baiting.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, I just got destroyed today. I need to walk away from this computer. I've taken too many
Okay.
trades, got absolutely smashed, and I think I just lost one of my accounts.
Good.
Fuck, that was the worst day I've had in a long time. Even worse than yesterday. All right, I'm out of here.
All right, buddy.
Sorry, guys.
No worries. It is
No.
what it is, man.
Yeah.
I can't believe that. How many trades did I take just then? 1, 2. We've had 10 minutes of trade. 15, not even 15 minutes, and I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
Fucking hell, what did I just talk about to myself? Jesus Christ. Oh, you're kidding me, Naz. This was the move I was expecting. Came in, came out, I dragged it, took me out here. And then I saw this wick out, so I took this one, came in, took me out here, and now it's pushed down kind of to close below and head down to where I was expecting. So the same move I've took 2 losses on, and it's still going down quite aggressively, and I'd probably be almost at my TP by now. Far out.
So that's the 1 minute chart again.
I think as well. Let me have a look. look here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I lost the 50k account. Bugger.
No. Come on now, turn around.
Hovering right around my entry here.
Are you?
Yep.
Oh.
You were at break even on that one, Lorraine?
Oh no, I got stopped out a long time ago.
Oh, you took a loss on that Dow trade.
Yeah. Yeah.
Order filled.
I didn't do my usual. Oh my God, it's in profit. I better trail and look.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know. I'm looking at this now. I'm like, this is pretty stupid, man. At one point, I was almost 80 points in profit
I know. Yeah.
to take it.
It's
This is shitty trade management. That was a 1 to 2 that I got.
wow.
Oh well. And now we're gonna go ahead and take a full loss. What a shit day, eh?
I just find it so interesting. We are so completely opposite in trade management. Like just polar opposites. It's funny. Like I
Order
admire
filled.
your patience. I really do.
I'm like
I mean,
trying to fucking
some
hold off here. Like we're real close.
yeah. And now I'll tag you. Now I'll turn around.
Yeah. Well, it
Did you
didn't
get
quite
tagged?
get me. No.
Yeah. Oh,
No, I
okay.
was below that.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, right. Hasn't reached it yet. All right. Mm.
So Jake, you're not trading anymore today?
I switched to a singular account.
Okay.
On one of my accounts that's, you know, kind of almost at the edge of being blown as well. So one of those ones where I kind of just need to trade it a bit more aggressively to see if I can bring it back. Otherwise, I'm going to be teetering on it forever.
Yeah. This is not looking good. And we're done. Yeah.
Order filled.
Got your stop.
Yeah. Yeah. 44 point. Stop. You know, you fucking. Yeah, is what it is.
And again, when you actually sit back and think about it, of course the bearish lean would make more sense with how the market's gone the last few days. Of course it would make sense. I'm talking to myself. Like sit back and wait. Ugh. Here's the move.
I know. I'm just like, yeah. anyways, I think that's just trading though, right? Like,
It
kinda
is,
like,
yeah,
I'm
it
trying to
is.
like figure out like what exactly. It's funny you say that today, Jake, because I was thinking that the other day where I'm like, I've got to get back to just like being in more alignment with the higher time frame.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought we were like on a clear uptrend on the higher time frame.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Like it had to seek liquidity.
Oh my
But it
goodness.
swept up there.
What the fuck is happening? Man, that is ridiculous. I don't know what just happened.
And do you trade on Tradeovate or your Trading View?
I trade on TradingView through
I tried
Tradeovate.
on Tradeovate yesterday. I was
Oh.
experimenting, and
Yeah,
I couldn't figure out how to set a stop loss or buy.
Yeah,
I got in twice and I couldn't set them.
me neither. I tried that as well, and I was like, forget this place. Like,
Yeah.
we can't trade with a stop loss on there. Like, yeah, I don't know. I
Yeah.
didn't feel like doing a whole YouTube tutorial on it either. So
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to
Just some-
ask Copilot this afternoon because I wanted to do group trading, which is a good thing I didn't.
yeah, exactly. That's kind of something that I want to do as well.
Yeah, and I don't know if that transfers over
Stop
to TradingView
filled.
because what I noticed when I was in the trades on Tradeovate, it was active on my TradingView.
Oh, really?
So yeah, so I'm going to experiment again.
Stop filled.
Yeah, because I know you can't. I don't think you can group trade through TradingView. You have to do it
No,
through Tradeovate. So that's why.
through Tradeovate.
Yeah, so
but
that's why
when
I want to learn it.
Yeah, and yeah, because when I was on Tradeovate, I was totally surprised to see when I was in the
Order
trade,
filled.
it was all
Yeah.
marked out on my Trading View. So yeah, have to experiment a bit. I'll check that out this afternoon and let you know about
Yeah.
setting stop losses. I mean, maybe we have to set buy limits and buy sells or something, which is just awkward.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I've messed around like a few minutes and then I was like, oh, forget this. But like, it's something I need to learn, especially if I want to copy trade, right? Or group
Yeah,
trade.
exactly. Yeah.
Order filled.
Have we now switched our bias to the Dow?
Order
I'm not
filled.
sure. I'm not sure if it was just picking up doing some sweeping or. "15 minutes working on a true shift down." Still has London low to sweep.
Yeah.
It does.
Stub filled.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Want to finish your breakfast?
Target filled.
Okay, good. Got it. I do have a 1 hour fair value gap a little below London low.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 20, 23 points to the consequent encroachment.
Nice.
Might be heading for a nice buy setup here.
Oh man.
Oh, look at that. Jeez.
Got in here
Yeah,
and got in here
yeah,
and did not make a single profitable trade.
yeah. And what was happening on the 5 minute at that point? Trying to figure out. It's just it's the entries. It's the entries. So it's the chalk. Would have waited. Oh well.
Exactly what I expected.
Yeah, it did. And that happens so much, Jake. Like it's called every morning before market open. So it's timing. It's timing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it has swept, the Dow has swept that 1 hour fair value gap as well as London low.
Mm-hmm. So this is to give an IFVG here. That's not bad.
Yeah,
It's pretty aggressive because there is also like this selling breaker structure trade that could play out.
yeah, yeah. That's a really bearish 1 hour candle.
Man, I just needed to do nothing on the NAS. Literally, if I
Yeah,
had just done nothing,
yeah,
I'd still be in
yeah.
happily.
Same with the Dow. So the same things happened with the Dow. If we just waited, it would have been, we would have caught this move. Yeah.
Crazy. Crazy how bad I've been trading lately.
Order filled.
Man, why does it do that? There's like no. Huh, I'm so confused.
Order cancelled.
What?
Order filled.
Oh, that's why. Motherfucker.
Stop filled.
It's like it wants to keep going.
And into the next 1 hour for all you got.
Yeah, that's the last line of defense, eh?
Yeah. Another error, but it could just be sweeping. Listen,
Okay, yeah.
we could keep an eye out for this order block here, which is basically the bottom of the fair value gap that I got marked out, which it just tagged. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice bounce.
Order filled.
It's a pretty nice bounce off a key area.
Order filled.
Let's see this close above like that. Swept there, came down to here and pushed up pretty strong. Shows some
Yeah.
absorption, but I mean, if the bears are still in the market, then it probably keep going. But I really like that candle because it swept the bottom of this, which was the order block, swept these lows, pushed up. Now we want to see if it can come back up. It doesn't look like it wants to just yet.
Okay.
Definitely looks like there's a lot of bears still in the market. We'll see if they step
Could
in.
be one of those days where it's just going to do a pullback all day long and then trap people like us in the middle of pulling back.
Potentially. Is the NAV gonna give a TDI chock? Yes or no?
Order filled.
Oh man, something's happened and like usually I press the button and then I wait until the close of the candle, and then I confirm the entry.
Oh
But
yeah,
right now
yeah.
it doesn't do that; it
Stop
just
filled.
enters straight away. And so I've just
Oh,
entered that trade, which I didn't really want to do until it was like candle closure. I mean, I hope that it goes up now, but
yeah. That's a little disconcerting. That's okay. So,
I mean, I guess I should have seen on the 1 hour, 4 hour, like we failed to
I
break that
know.
high,
Yeah.
right?
Even looking at the 15-minute, like again, all we had to do was trade that one or the 5-minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1-minute chart.
Well, I kind of was trading the 5 minute. Like part of my logic for taking that trade earlier was like we had a little 5 minute bullish fair value gap
Mm-hmm.
that was created at 8:30, and then once we
Oh yeah.
stuck down below, I don't know. Like I was just it looked more bullish to me
It did.
than
It looked bullish, yeah, but as you say on the higher time frames, when you
yeah.
look, it's just been going up, up, up. Like it had to collect some liquidity at some point.
Yeah. Yeah, and I feel like I should have put a little more stock into the fact like the 1 hour 4 hour didn't break the previous highs. That
Order filled.
when I learn.
I don't know. I've just found before when it was doing really well, I was sitting there and I was waiting and
yeah.
just got those moves. And now I'm not again. I'm getting drawn into 1-minute action,
Yeah. Yeah.
which takes you out before it makes its move. It's kind of the rule of trading.
Yeah.
Order filled.
You all right there, Jake?
Yeah, just forgetting this new issue and the fact that it like was a bee's dick away from my TP and didn't
Oh.
get me, so I had to bring my TP up. But I hate that.
Stop filled.
It literally was like kissed my TP and turned around again on the NAS. I still took the profit, but like it would have been nice to have actually cleaned my TP. It was like I
Yeah.
would have been half a point. Would have been literally half a point, and then it pulled back 11 points. And and I'd kind of stacked in, so it would have been quite a bit, but no, doesn't matter. I still took a win.
Yeah.
Good.
Order filled.
And I keep prematurely stacking in the trade. I keep pressing the button to prepare it, and for some reason it's not doing it now. So now I'm just, nah, why is that happening? I'm so used to it as well that I just,
I feel like I still haven't recovered from that loss that I had. Like I keep like replaying it. I'm like, dude, like you're in like it was at the max, it was just over a 1-2. Like and you take a full like that's really shitty trade management. Like that's terrible.
yeah.
That's really, really bad.
But it'll sit with you and you'll learn from it. I've done that so many times. It's just part of the growth journey. It's frustrating, I know. Is this TDI shift going to shift up and actually confirm a nice strong TDI shift closing above that high? That would be a nice close of that candle. At least a bullish engulfing TDI shift. No. That looks like it doesn't want to. Bearish TDI shift candle. Is it going to reject that TDI shift and just take off to the downside? Well, answers that.
Stop filled.
Did you enter on one there, Jake?
Hey,
Did you enter on that?
to sell? No. No, I was in a
Okay.
buy.
Yeah, okay, that's what I was wondering. On the Dow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was preparing it to get the TDI shift close, and as I prepared it, it entered a buy again, so it's stacked in, which is why I didn't like the position I was in. And now I've been very aggressive with my stop loss because I was worried about being over leveraged, and now it's going to bounce from exactly where I got stopped out from again.
Order filled.
Oh my goodness.
You know, I feel like I'm gonna cut it.
Definitely a smart idea. I am definitely in tilt territory trading trades that I probably shouldn't be trading.
You're aware of it. Like,
that's true.
Yeah.
Like you're aware of it.
Order filled.
You know, I just feel like, yeah, I'm gonna take off here. My wife was working last night, so I didn't see her. So
sounds good. Smart move.
That sounds like time better spent.
Yeah, than me like just itching to like revenge trade after that. Like I thought like I'm like trying to work through it in my head, but like I'm still like not over it. So like I just need to walk away for now. So
yeah.
All right. Let's have a good weekend, everyone.
Yeah, you too.
You too.
So Jake, are we on?
It'll be a matter of time before I do, Jake.
Week?
All right. See you guys.
See you later, Ed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we on next week? Yes, we'll be on next week.
So what day though? Are you starting the Monday?
Tuesday. No.
Tuesday. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
I won't start
Okay.
that yet. I need to
See you
get
Stop
Tuesday.
filled.
Yeah.
It's see you next Tuesday.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
CUNT. Sorry, guys.
Definitely will. See you next Tuesday.
All right. Take care, guys. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Oh man, hey, Jake, what am I doing?
Stop
Slides
filled.
and everything. I got it this morning. I'm tired of this. I think,
I got up
yeah.
this morning, was like, I'm feeling good about today. Today's gonna be a good, positive day, and it was the worst day I've had ever since we pivoted. Hmm. If I do decide to shift, I'll either message you, but it'll most likely be
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, that's fine.
Order filled.
Oh my god, why do I keep doing this?
I guess this makes sense. On the Dow, it's made its big move down. It's reached key levels and now it's accumulating.
Mm-hmm.
But is it accumulating to go up or accumulating to go down?
It's a good question.
My feel is it's going to keep heading down.
See, my feel is it's gonna go up, but my feel's wrong.
Oh, well,
Stop
that
filled.
goes out.
I'm
I
taking
guess,
losses.
yeah, this is where we have to watch for the patterns.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
Like, does it have to go deeper into discount territory before it heads back up?
Order filled.
How long will it take to decide?
Well, let's think about it. It probably wants to get a sweep before it goes up, so if it accumulates, it's
Yeah.
either going to sweep the downside and then probably push up, or it's going to sweep
Yeah.
the top side and then push down.
Yeah.
Which is something that I should take into consideration before jumping in 100 times.
Yeah. And then, so if we wait for it to do this sweep to the downside, then we're definitely and waiting for a buy. Then we are against the trend in all our time frames. And then that starts
Order
making me
filled.
cautious. But that's what reversals are about, really, isn't
Order
it?
submitted.
Yeah.
We're waiting to go in against the trend.
Exactly. That's the problem. That's what I was saying before. Is like
Yeah.
we've kind of shifted to all kind of reversal trades. We don't really have too many like continuation trades.
Yeah. 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 So it's the learning.
Order filled.
Oh, down. Nasdaq's looking bad. That's looking real bad. Push back down. Close below that low, please. And off goes the Dow. Still.
Okay, this is good. So now it's touched into another 1 hour fair value gap.
Oh, has it?
On the Dow, yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to sell on the NAS, so just a bit
Okay, yeah.
occupado. Really want this to close and close TDI below that candle low, but it's just playing around.
Certainly got room to go down, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Just worried that if it holds on the liquid 50 here, it might pivot and push up pretty aggressively, which is exactly what it did, and I've missed my opportunity to get out. Fuck.
Oh, God.
That was too slow. Now I think it's gonna just push. Mm. Please drop. Please reject. I don't think that's going to reject. I think it's going to push up and be a very strong bullish move. I'm going to take a loss. Push down and collapse. Don't TDI shift. Reject that TDI shift. Mm. Candle basically just needs to go bearish, otherwise I think I'm going to take a loss. Come on, push back down. Close bearish engulfing. The Dow just dropping now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still inside that fair value gap at midline, a little bit below. So, could be heading for yesterday's previous low.
Go on, get below this low. Don't hold. Push below this low and continue. Naz, please.
There we go.
Yeah, it still hasn't closed yet. I want that TDI shift
True.
to close below those
But
lows.
at least it's pumping the right way.
No, it's not.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, don't like the Naz.
I think that's it. Unless this drops, I think that's going to be it for this move. Go on. Push down. It's really struggling.
Yep. They're fighting.
Stop filled.
And there it goes. That was the rejection. Took out my stops. Took out some of my stops. And now it's going to just go right back up, isn't it? That's pretty much a loss unless we take from here. Nope. I think it's going to want to pump up. Nope. That's it. That's definitely going to push bullish from there.
Stop filled.
There it is. Jeez Louise, that was a big wicking candle.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Aqua pushed it back down.
Yeah.
Order filled.
That's back in the day of between the sheets performance, isn't it?
True. No.
Oh, come on. That was such a strong push down.
I know. I really thought that would flip it, but
Yeah.
so much so that I jumped back in, which was stupid. But the bulls are just taking over from Nas. Oh man, what am I doing?
Stop filled.
I need to close this down. I've just
Yeah.
basically gone completely on tilt and blown everything.
Yeah.
Not everything, that's not true. I just had a really, really big losing day. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know what percent we got to, but what was my lead account? 26, 367. That's like 8, 16, 24, 32, 4.5%. Jesus. say? What was it, like 6 at the start or something? Entry, entry, 3, 4. 4 losses on the down. Well, one was a slight win, but still. That was a slight loss. 2. 2 on the NAS and 4. I know it's bad because it's so close I can hardly even see. Stop, which was 1 and win. Entry, stop, stop, entry, stop. 2 losses. 3 losses. 1 win. So 5 losses, 1 win. So minus 4.5%. You know what really annoys me is that like all my accounts were starting to get to a good place of like
Yeah,
trailing drawdown again.
yeah,
And so I could start to scale them up and start to actually make some money. And because of the last 2 days, I've just completely fucked that. And
no,
gone. And I think I've also blown, like I said, blown one of my accounts, which sucks. Makes me really upset.
yeah.
And now
No, I don't blame you.
I think I'm slightly under 1 million now, capital. But that's okay. I think I just need to figure out exactly what I'm doing wrong and keep pushing
Yeah,
forward.
I think that's it. It we're in a learning phase again. There's been a shift in how we're looking at things. We have to relearn, identify, identify. Psychologically, certainly what goes on.
Orders. What orders do I have active?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't like having orders open.
There's something still open?
It's just like so I've got on one of my accounts I've got like an automatic lockout because I
Yeah,
don't want to keep doing it
yeah.
and because I've traded so badly today that got triggered, but
Okay.
it's leaving orders like floating
Oh,
that haven't been filled because like you put a stop loss in, there's a sell at one top and a take profit is a buy. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And so, like, when I try to close it, it says you've got orders sitting there, and I'm like, well, I don't want orders sitting there,
Oh,
so I'm just gonna try to close them. But it's because the account that I was
it's
like, the account that I blew got automatically closed by
y-
the automation
right.
system from
Y-
Apex,
Yeah,
and so that is what's like locked them out. But now I don't have access to cancel those orders
the
because
council, right. So
I
what do you
can't cancel.
do?
But well, I mean, if it's an account that's been blown, I don't really care. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I
But
guess. Yeah.
I just have to confirm that that's actually what's happened because I don't want it to be like that if it's not from me, but I'm 99% sure it is. So I have to go to Rhythmic and check out my accounts. Do that just before I close up. And I was trading so well, and then since I've moved office, I went from positive to minus a lot in 2 weeks with two overtrade days. I haven't overtraded at all, and now I've just done it again. Hey, I think I really wanted to make some profit before I go to Australia so I could have some spending money. So that's
Of
probably why I pushed
course. Of
my
course
free trading.
that's in there. Yeah.
I think that psychology has affected it a little bit. Rather than just taking it easy and just letting the process be, I've just forced some shitty trades and
Yeah.
pushed my progress back even further.
Yeah. And it's so fragile. Like just having even those little
As an
back of your
overtrader, it's
mind,
so fragile as well. Like,
it's yeah, it's incredible.
I'm super disappointed, but what you gonna do? Trading is not always good.
No, no. Sometimes it's quite horrid. It can be soul destroying.
Ah, this week's been rough.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was doing so well, and my accounts were like literally getting up. I almost was at
Yeah.
payout for one or two of them,
Yeah.
and now I
Yeah.
am not.
That's
Now
yeah.
I'm a long way away. Now I'm in a state of fighting again.